White Manna has been around since the 1930s and has two locations, one in Jersey City and the other in Hackensack, New Jersey. It is an iconic restaurant in New Jersey, known for their hamburger and cheeseburger sliders. The place is also very popular with locals, so you know the burgers are great. It has been featured by several TV programs, including Anthony Bourdain's No Reservations and Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. I'm ashamed to say that I've never been to White Manna. Now, I've passed it many times while I've been in Hackensack, but I never went in only because the lot's very small and it's always very, very crowded. In any event, I came here really early today to wait for them to open so I could try their great burgers. Now, White Manna is known for their burgers, and I look at it as a burger joint in the sense that it's a place that people come to get great burgers, nothing fancy, just very simple, good burgers. In any event, let's go get some great burgers. It's very quiet because we're one of the first people in here. So here's their menu. They're known for their cheeseburger and double cheeseburgers. These are like sliders, so we'll get a couple of each of those and get some fries. Okay, just put our burgers on the grill. There are 4 single cheeseburgers and 3 double cheeseburgers. Look at nice onions there. Squashing down the burgers. Smells great. Okay, these 4 burgers are for the guy who came in just before us. He was actually waiting outside even earlier than we were, so you know he's a fan of the burgers. So these are sliders and they're kind of small, so basically I think to get really full you probably need like 3 to 4 of them, and I think we got about 7 of them in total. Sizzling away. Something about watching them cook makes you want them even more. That looks awesome. We got 4 cheeseburgers and 3 double cheeseburgers. Okay, it came out to $27.56. Okay, we're actually gonna eat in the car because it's actually really small in there. I don't want to disturb everyone. Anyway, we're gonna start with single. Okay, here it is. So this is a single slider. Okay. See, there's you'll see the meat is loosely packed, and there's some onions here, put a little bit of ketchup. So let's see how this tastes. And this is a really kind of a nice sturdy potato bun. So okay. It's very tasty. The meat's very tender, again loosely packed. You have a nice blend of the cheese, the onions, a little bit of ketchup. So they gave us pickles, but I didn't put it in here. But wow, this is really tasty. Okay, this is very good. So between my wife and I, we have 4 regular cheeseburgers and then 3 double cheeseburgers. So finish this one off and then we'll try the double cheeseburger. Wow, excellent. Next, we're gonna try the double. So the thing about the double is that you have a lot more meat and it's gonna probably overwhelm the taste of the bun a little bit, but that's okay. Anyway, take a peek at this. Again, look at the nice onions, ketchup, the cheese. The meat's very loosely packed. Again, this great bun, so let's take a bite. Wow. Again, a very nice meaty flavor. Everything blends together perfectly. The cheese, the grilled onions, really tasty. I think the potato bun's a good choice for this type of burger. Wow. I would say this, given the size of this burger, I still think to get yourself full, you probably need like 3 regular cheeseburgers, maybe 2 double cheeseburgers, because they're not that big, but they're very tasty. And again, and that's still pretty reasonable. I think got the prices, I think it was like $2.50 and $3, which is very reasonable. It came out to $27 for 7 burgers, so very reasonable. Excellent. As I'm sitting here eating in their parking lot, it reminds me of places I used to go to. I used to travel a bit, and I used to love going to the local diners and local joints, popping in, getting some authentic food. Sitting here, eating out here, it has that same vibe. It's a local place, not very fancy, but the food's very good, and people know about it. You don't have to advertise, so same type of vibe. This is definitely a great burger joint. So you can't have burgers without French fries, right? So we got an order. Let's see how it tastes. I'm actually not gonna put ketchup on it. I'm just gonna. Here it is. They packed it up for us. So, okay, these are nice rich fries. They're good. I would prefer it a little more crispy, but very tasty. Wow. You get a perfect complement to the burgers. It's funny, just by putting ridges on the fries, it gives a slightly different texture. It makes it a little more fancy, I think. Very good. Okay, I'm so glad that I finally ate at White Manna. I rectified my shame by finally coming here after passing by this place so many times. The burgers here were excellent. Their sliders, the single cheeseburger was very tasty. The double added more meat and probably gave it a bigger proportion taste to the potato bun. Again, the meat's loosely packed, nice grilled onions, nice cheese, and all blended together perfectly. I would say, as I said before, great local burger joint is a place that if you're in the neighborhood, definitely worth trying. If you're in Manhattan, very easy to come out here. You take New Jersey Transit to Hackensack. It's not far from there. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thank you so much.